Hello guys, so I'm in Krabi right now, and this is Aonang Beach. We reached Krabi around 5:30, but currently it's like 5:15. So we are just planning on booking a 7 island sunset tour for tomorrow, and yeah, just doing that. It's charging around like 1,500 per person, in everything included for tomorrow. And once this is done, we will go to this beach to see the sunset. It's hot, but let me show you how this place looks like.
This was our stay in Krabi. It costed around 5,500 Indian rupees for three people with breakfast. I really liked this place, and also it is quite close, maybe around 1 kilometer from Aonang Beach, and also they have free shuttle. So most of the places like the hotels around this area offers free shuttle every maybe half an hour to the beach directly. So that's a great thing. So once you enter, you can see there is a huge swimming pool right here, and this was our room. So once you enter, there is a big space area where you can keep your luggage. There's some chairs and all, and it has a washroom. And since we booked for three people, it was actually a 2+1, so there were two separate beds, which again was really convenient for three people. Like, and you can see the size of the room, it's pretty huge. And not only that, it also had a separate balcony, and you can, and the, you know what we did with the balcony, we actually soaked our clothes right here in the balcony because it was so sunny right here. And another best thing that I really liked, there was another swimming pool just in front of our place, which actually I used. And yes, overall this was the hotel that we stayed in.
আর কোডা টু এই দুটোতেই দাঁড়াবে। কি করবি তাহলে?
কি আমার মনে হচ্ছে না আর কথা কমাবো বলে। So I'm in Aonang Beach right now. Now let me show you the view. So that's the main road. আস্তে ভেসে চলে যাবে। currently around 7 p.m. right now. There is another fire show at 9. So just letting.
That's it for day one in Krabi. I had such a fun time shopping with my mom near Aonang Beach. The streets are full of cute shops and souvenirs. In the next video, I will take you through all the amazing tours I did from Krabi. That one's coming super soon. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and I will see you with my next video super soon. Take care guys. Bye.